So, as soon as we get all the animals out and I start working, it starts raining. I hope this don't last long. I got too much to do. Oh, of course I am sitting under the roof in the duck hut, staying pretty dry. That overhang seems to be working good that I'll put on here. I don't think the ducks has ever been out in the rain. They're like, what is this? This water's not coming from the right place. You silly ducks. Rain is fun. Y'all are supposed to like rain. It's coming down now. If it lasts more than 30 minutes, we'll see. Oh boy. Dawson don't care. She's like cool with everything. The ducks are going up there hiding with Maddie. That's funny. It's gonna be a muddy mess by the time this all gets done. Oh, one of my kids was improvising. She tore a hole in the trash bag and put it over her head. So only her face is sticking out. Oh my God. Are you getting wet, Mary?
Only a little bit.
Y'all can't see her. Her face is there, that bag.